Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, so we have a 3-layer cake. First layer, routines. Second layer, basic weekly plan. Last layer, zones. How does this work for you? If you are a payroll fly baby, you're going to get up and do your morning routine. You're going to put your children through their routines when they get up. It is Saturday after all. We don't need to rush them up, but don't let them sleep forever. And then you're going to do the very next thing on your list is your basic weekly plan. So look back and see what you weren't able to accomplish this week. This is the only time I allow you to catch up. And that's because you may have been too busy during the week, and if that happens every week, you won't ever get anything done. So look back and see what basic weekly plan item do you need to catch up on. Is it your weekly home blessing hour? Can you split that up with the family? There's only 6 little parts to it. 3 parts are more complex: stripping your bed, washing the sheets, and making the bed. Mopping the floors, and vacuuming. They're not impossible. Children 9 or older can do these things, but probably easier for you. You have 3 little baby jobs that young children can do all the way up to 12 or so, and that's empty the little garbage cans in the house, put new liners in, it's wipe all the spots off the glass, and it is, what's the third one? Dust, especially if you have a FlyLady feather duster or a really good feather duster. It's a super easy job. So only 6 little jobs. No one job can take more than 10 minutes. So if you find yourself taking more than 10 minutes, you're taking too long. Remember, this is not perfectionism. This is just blessing. This is not your deep clean. Now, after you've done that, do you have anything else left to do? Were you able to run all your errands? If you haven't been able to do that after you do your zone. Anything outside of the house is after you do your inside work. So how about your desk day? Did you get all your bills paid? Did you check your accounts? Did you balance everything? Did you make sure you're staying on budget? Really important to do that. The next thing will be and also give a little clean to your fridge before you get those groceries. Not a big clean, just a little organization, putting like things together, wiping up little spots, nothing hard, throwing out the yucky stuff. All right, what else do we have? Car and purse day. How's your car look? How's your purse look? That's it. Okay, now go into the zone. The zone we were in this last week was the kitchen. Did you get decluttering done in your kitchen if you have to have decluttering done? If not, you've got 4 15-minute segments. So work for 15 minutes, get a glass of water and rest. 15 minutes, rest. 15 minutes, rest. Don't rest for 15 minutes. This is just a couple of minutes. And then, so that'll take you about an hour and a half to get your kitchen decluttered or have a really good start on it. If your kitchen is decluttered, or if you finish after 2 15-minute segments, you'd still have 2 more segments left because we work on it for 4 days a week. So whatever segments you have remaining after this decluttering is done, or if you have no decluttering, you're going to pick up to 4 things to do in the kitchen. And you would have picked those last weekend when you were thinking about what are you going to do this week. So look at those 4 things. Mine this week were clean the fridge inside, clean the freezer inside, wipe the refrigerator down outside, and mop the whole kitchen floor, including underneath the table, which we rarely use. So those were my 4. I don't know what your 4 are, but get those done. This will take you about 20 to 40 minutes, depending on how much you have to do. Okay? All right, so that's it. Next, we're going to do our outside weekly plan. So if you need to go run errands, you need to buy groceries, this is when you're going to do it. Okay? All right. Now there are other things that we do on the weekends too, whether you're an at-home fly baby or a payroll fly baby, and that would include yard work. So if your family is doing that, then plan on doing that as soon as you've got your inside work done. They can work without you. This stuff has to be done. Okay? All right. So we never let anyone minimalize what we have to do. Excuse me, but we also don't put more priority on it than it really deserves. Family comes first. But other jobs, this is the priority, not the yard, when they're working on it. You can come help them when you're done, okay? All right, that's it for payroll. For at-home fly babies, you've got a 2-layer cake. You have the morning routine, the afternoon routine, the before dinner routine, the paper routine, the laundry. No, you don't have laundry today. Payroll, you have laundry probably today, and paper as well, the daily routines. But you might have, yeah, you've got all your routines except laundry. And then the second thing on your two-layer cake is your family fun day. That's all that you have left. Now, you might as well admit that you also have to work in the yard with the family if that's what's going to happen. So go ahead and get that done. More hands on deck, the faster it gets done. No perfectionism, even in the yard, okay? All right, that's it for today. This is a super fun and easy day. I hope you've planned something for your family. Don't forget to do your before bed routine tonight, because tomorrow is Renew Your Spirit. If you're going to church, you've got some things to do. Prepare the family emotionally, mentally, that they're going to church with you in the morning. Whatever bribery you might need to give little kids, like donuts after, that's fine. We're trying to establish a habit, so this isn't even a question. It's an expectation. It's an expectation. Don't forget your 3 clutter checks a day. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.